In today's video, I'm doing a piece with alcohol inks instead of acrylic paints. I've only used alcohol inks a few times, so I'm still learning a lot. The surface that I'm working on is called Yupo paper. It is a synthetic paper that does not warp when you add a lot of moisture to it. To catch a lot of my excess liquids, I'm just adding some paper towels underneath my surface. And then I also grabbed a pair of gloves so that I don't dye my fingers with all of the alcohol inks. I'm just starting by adding some of my rubbing alcohol to my surface, and then I'm just going to start dripping my colors onto the surface and then using my tools to move around the colors and also dry the alcohol inks. I have some jacquard alcohol inks. I'm using purple, pink, blue, and gold. I ended up sticking mostly with the purple and pink. I added a little bit of blue, but I'm going to wait and use some of my colors in another piece. I think the airflow with this cordless airbrush worked pretty well for this. When I tried my hairdryer, it just kind of blew everything all over the place, and so I had a lot more control. And then my rubbing alcohol, I just have in a little bottle that has a twist top, and it worked really well to have control over where I was putting the rubbing alcohol down and how much I was putting down, so that I could just control where my colors were going. This works similarly to my airbrushed pieces with acrylics, but the alcohol ink definitely works differently than acrylics, so it is just a learning experience on what works and what doesn't work. But I really enjoyed this, and I'm going to start doing more of these. I always love giving my pieces some embellishments of a metallic color, so I'm just starting to add my gold to other areas on here, and I'm seeing how well that works out. Overall, I really enjoyed working on this piece. I learned quite a bit, and I have some ideas for other alcohol ink paintings in the future. I think using different tools like palette knives or some paintbrushes to help with my design will really make a difference. And I also have some ideas for embellishing some of these pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Like I said, I'll be putting out some more of these, and I do post 3 videos a week, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on my videos.